Yes, that's why I call it your money voice. What is the voice that you can do that other people will pay you to do? It's not to show them that you can do 100 different things. This was one of my big mistakes in the early years of my career. And it took me 7 years till my career really took off. This was one of the big lessons. I was trying to impress people with how talented I was and how versatile I was, when what I should have been doing was clearly identifying what's that one money voice that will get me hired, to get the ball rolling. My money voice in animation is this. It's just that. It's easily 80% of the work that I did.
I never did. I never once did this. This is Dudley Do-Right.
You know, my impression of Dudley Do-Right that I was doing in that demo right there. It makes it hard for an agent or a casting director to determine how to use you if you're all over the place like that. So what I thought was me showing how talented I am by doing so many different voices, it got me an agent, but it worked against me in terms of getting gigs because they couldn't really categorize me. Well, wait a second, Joshua, doesn't that make me typecast? Yes, that's what you want. You want to be typecast because you want to be cast. After you're cast, then you can show the world what you're capable of, and you can broaden your range and take different types of roles because you have different opportunities. But you have to have some opportunity that pays off originally, and that comes in the form of being able to identify and communicate to others what your money voice is. In the voiceover world, the term your money voice means that voice that you do that books you the gig.